Ladies and gentlemen, it's the 4th of March 2025 and it's the second day of the Mobile World Congress 2025 at Barcelona, Spain. The Mobile World Congress, or the MWC, contributes more than 500 million euros to the economy of Spain. More than 9,000 part-time jobs are created, and since 2006, when the event has been happening at Barcelona, the Mobile World Congress has contributed more than $6 billion. You'll walk a lot at this exhibition, and that's what I'm doing over here across its 5 halls, speed dating the various companies. But it's fun with all these gaps between the halls where you have food courts, and it's fun meeting all the people. Let's look at the India Pavilion because India is making its presence felt. There are booths where small companies are representing themselves, marked by these tri-colored arrows which look beautiful. These companies are doing a superlative job in the areas of cybersecurity, telecom, maps, and what have you. I salute these companies representing India at MWC 2025. So, ladies and gentlemen, we are at the Lepton Software at the Mobile World Congress 2025 at the India Pavilion, and we have the founder and CEO, Mr. Rajiv Saraf, right over here. Rajiv, tell us something about the Lepton Software.
So, Lepton Software is basically a geospatial and mapping organization, and we provide GIS-based solutions for end-to-end fiber lifecycle management, as well as for telecom network analytics. That's what we have been doing, and we have customers across 25 countries who use our solutions to plan, manage, and operate their networks.
Excellent. And how has your experience been at the India Pavilion at the MWC 2025? Do you get some advantages over here?
So we came last year. The last year was the first time that we were here. Last time we had a pod and we had a great experience. And this time we have taken, as you can see, we have taken a larger booth compared to booth. So far it's just been a second day. I think overall the crowd was less yesterday, but we are seeing good traction today. And hopefully in next 2 days we'll see more traction. Of course, India is a good story now. We have a lot of local, IP product and solution manufacturer, and people are looking at India, both from market as well as from solution perspective.
Thanks a lot, Rajiv, for talking to us.
Thank you.
And the India Pavilion has left no stone unturned to decorate themselves, because all these companies like Kirat Communications and Secnorex and many others working in various fields are representing the country at the India Pavilion, or the Bharat Pavilion out here. And it's fantastic that these Indian companies are getting a chance, with the help of the Indian government, to come at a forum like MWC, or the Mobile World Congress, which is otherwise way too expensive for these companies. In fact, the India Pavilion is very professionally laid out, and in fact, we even have a coffee stall out here which looks very professional. Ladies and gentlemen, we have with us Mr. Arun Gupta, who is the Director General of TEPC. Mr. Arun Gupta, please tell us something about TEPC and what is your role at the India Pavilion?
TEPC stands for Telecom Equipment and Services Export Promotion Council. Each sector is having its export promotion council, and in telecom TEPC is the one. We work for promotion and development of telecom equipment and services export, and we have organized this India Pavilion. There are 38 countries participating in India Pavilion, Bharat Pavilion, and they are showcasing their state-of-the-art telecom equipment, software as well as hardware, as well as the services, system integrator services, consultancy services. The Bharat Pavilion was inaugurated by His Excellency Minister of Communications, Government of India, Shri Jyotiraditya M. Scindia, yesterday, in the presence of His Excellency Ambassador of India to Spain.
I am Mridula Sati. I am Deputy General Manager in TCIL. TCIL is a system integrator and provide a wide variety of services like digital transformation, telecom, cyber security, data centers, and some emerging technologies like AI, blockchain, drone-based services. TCIL is a fully Government of India undertaking established 4 decades ago and having a revenue of around 325 millions. Thank you.
Hello, I'm Draven and I'm representing CDOT here at MWC 2025. We are majorly working in telecommunication sector and also have portfolios in security and disaster management as well. So CDOT being the R&D division for the Department of Telecommunications, Government of India, we are here to present the indigenously made solutions which are actually deployed in field and helping us. So first we have a look at the our disaster management portfolio. So we have developed such an integrated alert system, which is a project owned by NDMA, and CDOT is the technology provider and implementer for that. So what it does is basically we have made integrations with all the media over which we can basically send over the disaster alerts, and authorities can decide where to want to send the alerts and alert the common public that way. So we have multiple media like TV, coastal siren, SMS, cell broadcast, radio, mobile applications in that way. And I can also show you a quick demonstration for the same. So as we have demarcated this area, currently we are presented in Fira, Barcelona. So with just a single click, the authorities are able to disseminate warnings over media. So as you can see, a browser notification has popped up here. And similarly, we also have a mobile application, and the users which have this application installed are able to receive the alerts as well. And along with this, we have our security portfolio, which as you can see, the notification has come up on the mobile application. Along with this, we have other products like quantum key distribution system, which is basically you can say to make the long distance communication lines quantum safe, so that this encryption cannot be even break with the help of quantum computers as well. Along with this, we also have PQC phones with this. These are video IP phones which are also encrypted. This is also quantum safe cryptography. And so it is very important to deploy in strategic sectors like military, defense, etc., where extra security is the utmost importance. Now moving along, we also have our security portfolio here. As you can see, we are demonstrating a dashboard for the enterprise security solutions. They can basically monitor the security of an entire enterprise. This is our PQC device. Along with that, the QKD second part. Also, we have a major, you can say, development ongoing in the 4G and 5G RAN sector. So we are representing our 4G, 5G RAN here along with the BBU unit. So CDOT has indigenously developed the 4G entire stack and is currently deployed in BSNL, and it is soon be operationalized pan-India level. So these are some of the products which we are showcasing here. Otherwise, we have a lot of other portfolio as well, like secure video communication app, just similar to WhatsApp, which can be deployed on-site and data remains on-site for those who don't want their data to go outside. And so I hope this MWC goes well for us, and we will strive to move forward and do more innovations like this.
Hi everyone, this is Anuradha. I'm the co-founder and CEO of Amantia Technologies. So my personal journey is more than 20 years in the telecom sector, but if I say about Amantia, we started 6.5 years back with this core focus that we will be working on all the emerging technologies, and we will be a boutique company doing innovative solutions. And once we got into the telecom side, we started working on 5G, and over these years we have actually developed our product suites on network solutions like 5G SA Core, then network in a box, and then we have recently launched our testing solutions portfolio, Auto RAN to test the RAN, then Auto Wi-Fi to test the Wi-Fi devices, and then Orca, which is our core network testing tool. And I would say these are very well received. We are very glad to be at MWC. It's our third year as part of Amantia, and if you see, we are getting a lot of tractions. We are meeting our customers over here, and then also we are hosting a lot of companies who are trying to understand about Amantia, and I would say it's very glad to be here and looking forward that we can really make our presence felt, and that's what is the vision of Amantia, that let's work on the emerging technologies. After telecom, we are getting into AI and making our all the solutions more intelligent using AI, and that's how we will go through our journey. So glad to be here. Thanks Prashant for having me here.
And now we're at Dassault Systems, not Dassault Aviation, which has an extended reality solution. So you put on these VR glasses and look at the screen, and then you can look 360 degrees around a whole enterprise. It looks wonderful, like this gentleman is doing out here. In fact, I put on the VR glasses myself, and it is absolutely spectacular to look 360 degrees into an enterprise. The booth of the global professional services company Accenture looks beautiful. Accenture stands for accent in the future. The whole booth looks very nice and is having a pinkish color, which gives it a distinctive look. And then we have the Herman Automotive, where they are distinguishing themselves in the ADAS of the cars. In fact, it seems that they have implemented something called V2 network in addition to the V2X, so that the car will be directly in touch with the cloud, and that gives it additional advantages when it has to know about, let's say, something on the road ahead, and that's a better technology than V2X. They have some magnificent dashboards on how the driver would see through the screens. And now we are at the Keysight booth. Keysight, of course, is a world-renowned firm in the area of test tooling for the network equipments and much, much more. There are several impressive demos out here. So let's have a look at one on the AI.
This is a demo where we are showing how we can enable the coexistence of AI and run workloads. So we are running, everything you see here is running live in our testbed in Boston at Northeastern University, and this is kind of showing the infrastructure where we have deployed the system. It's an OpenShift cluster where we manage at the same time run workloads and AI workloads. So the run workload is GPU accelerated. It's based on the NVIDIA aerial physical layer, which runs on a GPU. We also have a set of AI workloads, and specifically here I'm showing two examples. The first one is an LLM 5G network configurator, where we can provide a high-level intent. For example, I can ask it to deploy a 5G G-Node B with OAI. I'll ask to configure the network. So this is processing my high-level intent. So first it identifies at a high level what elements I requested, then it fills the gap, and if you want to frame it here, it basically automatically starts a deployment based on what I ask it to start. So in a second you see a new container was created. That's the base station that I asked the LLM to deploy. Then it comes with the proper configuration as I requested.
The Microsoft booth looks very impressive. Lots of people thronging out here, and of course, Microsoft is focusing a lot on the AI for its agentic interface, and of course, Microsoft has Copilot as its chatbot, and of course, it's fully loaded into the AI these days, apart from the MS Office which we were used to earlier. So we are at a company called Odin, and here we have a person from Odin who's the head of the business solutions, Burak Kaplan. Please tell us something about your company.
Hello, Odin is a Turkish-based company. Headquarters is located in Istanbul, and regional offices are located in Prague and Dubai. In Dubai, we have Cloud Excellence Center, and also in Czech Republic that we have engineering hub. Beyond of it, that we have remote office like stayed in London, APAC region, and South Africa and North Africa. Odin is basically telco solution provider with engineering experience, where actually that it evolved to product company by getting experience to reflect on the site. Odin is cloud service provider from the hardware, virtualization layer, and the software applications, and on top of it, orchestration and management provider. And together with the AI, Odin is providing the AI automation platform.
So we end our evening with a trip to this lovely beach area of Barcelona for a dinner at this towering W Hotel. Thank you, MWC 2025. Amid adieu now with these wonderful scenes of this ship and some blue waves from Barcelona, followed by some food.